Hi, I'm Dean.
And I'm Michelle, and we'd love to share with you a tool that we use every day in our own lives and as a couple. And it's about getting into healthy responsibility. We learned this from Katie and Gay Hendricks. It's called Sorting the Two Files. It's super practical and super helpful.
Yeah, so we're gonna demonstrate on how we would use that. So here we go. Hey, honey, I was thinking we work a lot. We work at home. We kind of never leave our home. So what do you think if we go on a weekend vacation somewhere and kind of relax and just
Be
have
somewhere
fun.
different, somewhere
different,
new.
yeah.
That sounds great, but what if we get COVID? Everyone seems to be getting COVID right now.
So let's do sorting the files about this. So what can we absolutely not control about this issue?
Well, that COVID exists.
Yeah, COVID exists, and we can't control people not wearing the masks.
That's true. It's super contagious.
It's super contagious, yes.
Yeah. It seems to be everywhere. Can't do anything about that.
Yeah.
What can we control or influence about this?
Well, we can wear a really good mask. Yeah, we can wash our hands more often.
That's true.
Let's see, we can make sure we get enough sleep, eat as healthy as we can, drink lots of water, stay hydrated, keep our exercise routine going.
I like that.
What else? Yeah.
Well, we can make sure that we don't go to huge crowd events like a few weeks before the trip. We can sort of stay home more, which we do a lot anyway.
Yeah.
So I feel like with all of that, that's what we can control. Our body still might get COVID. We might get COVID anyway, so we can't control that. How do you feel about that?
I feel scared, but let's do it anyway.
I like that. Yeah. I'm going to be a little bit scared that it could happen, but I feel really good about taking the precautions that we can and really living our life and having a good time.
Yeah.
All right, so that is one way that you can use this wonderful tool as a couple, and you can also use it for yourself about any decisions that you might be having a hard time making or any issues that are going on in the world that might be upsetting you. You can look at what you can and can't control about those things and then create some space to enjoy your life.
So
Okay.
what is absolutely that what some